Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You need an Apple ID signed in on iPhone and Mac, and messages in iCloud enabled so conversations sync. Once done, install Chrome or Edge on Windows 11 because you'll use a browser extension or remote desktop. Next, prepare a Mac OS host, either your own Mac on the same network or a cloud Mac rental, so Windows can access messages. Make sure both devices are online. This reduces delays and avoids authentication loops when you sign in. Now connect. Install Chrome Remote Desktop or a reliable VNC client on Windows, then access the Mac OS host. On the Mac, enable remote management or screen sharing and set a strong password. This permits secure control and lets messages run. Open Messages on the Mac so it remains active. When Windows connects, you'll see iMessage. Make sure you complete Apple's two-factor prompts on trusted devices and choose to trust the remote session. This step keeps continuity and avoids repeated sign-ins. Finally, operate messages from Windows through the Mac session. Type, send, and receive iMessage or SMS as if on Mac. For smoother performance, reduce display quality, close resource-heavy apps, or use wired Ethernet to cut latency. If something goes wrong, restart both systems and recheck your Apple ID credentials. Make sure two-factor authentication prompts are accepted on a trusted device. If sign-in still fails, revoke and reauthorize the remote access on the Mac, then reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.